We are going to take the tires off the HBX 903 and put them on the 901A.
That would be a good idea.
Then we're going to run this guy on 3S. We're going to put it through some big old jumps. Max is going to run that car with these tires on it. And
this one.
He's going to run that one too. And I can tell you right now, all three of these cars did break in this video. All right, let's swap these tires. Here we go. You loved it. Oh, gosh. Oh, you loved it. Oh,
I'm okay.
the nose broke off. Oh, look at my battery coming out. Giving birth. God, that didn't last long. The knuckle broke. Oh. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it. It wasn't gonna jump over me if I hadn't moved my head. You do that?
I hit the bump and somehow it did that.
Nice. Mine just ran out of battery. Nope, it's not the battery. Now we'll put this one on 3S. Oh! Not that. Hey, I'm pretty sure my ESC is going out. It keeps dying on me. Ooh! Whoa. Oh. Yeah, you only lost one clip. The other one went through the body.
What the heck?
Ah. Ah.
You kidding me? I thought it was loose.
Well, it broke.
Look at that.
Well, that did not go as planned at all.
All those cars broke.
That was some damage. This is the first HBX knuckle we've broken. The screw hole broke out on the knuckle of this one.
Look at this.
And this one, we broke another screw off inside a plastic axle, so we got to order front ones now.
And this one, all that body.
This body is totally damaged, but we actually have an awesome new body for this one. Looks really awesome. Just going to beef this body up so it doesn't break so quickly. And this one, we lost connection on the ESC terminal. That's why it was going in and out on me. So we're just gonna replace that end. Same thing happened to our 16890. Still gotta fix that one. I'll probably have all these repairs chucked into videos here and there like I usually do. I really didn't notice a performance difference with these different tires on these different cars. This one may have had a little bit more air control, but other than that, I didn't notice a difference. I like these more than these. They look better, I like wider tires, but other than that, it wasn't a big difference. So we will be trying a different set, probably larger set of tires on this one very soon. Well, yep, that wasn't expected. I honestly thought we were gonna run the two first cars and they'd all be fine and everything would be wonderful. You know, they'll be fixed as soon as possible and be back on camera, but for now we've got other cars to work on and deal with. So we'll see you next time.